Hello Snapchat fam. Need to update your phone number in Snapchat but don't know how. Maybe you get a new number or you're just trying to keep things private. Either way, I got you. Today, I'm gonna show you how to change your phone number on Snapchat in just a few easy steps. So first open Snapchat, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner and again tap on the setting icon. You see the phone mobile number section. Now tap on mobile numbers. You'll see the phone number currently linked to your account. If it's outdated or wrong, we are about to fix that. Go ahead and type new phone number. Double check it. We don't want any type of messing this up. Once it looks good, hit verify. Snapchat will now send a verification code via SMS. Check your text message, grab that 6-digit code and enter it in a Snapchat. Now your new number is linked. If you didn't get that code, tap resend and try again. So if this felt helpful after updating your phone number in Snapchat, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more Snapchat tips.